Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on fingerprint feature on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want the protection on your cell phone to be higher and tighter, you can activate the fingerprint feature to unlock the screen or unlock the application, or it can also be used for security of your phone. And how to turn on the fingerprint feature is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first go to settings, and then now you can scroll down and go to security and privacy. And then after that, now you can go to lock screen, and then now you can enter your recent lock screen, and then go to fingerprint, click continue, and then now you can register your fingerprint. And so yeah, you can press your finger inside the circle until it's done. And so yeah, now we try together, and the fingerprint feature is turned on. Alright guys, so yeah, it's easy, right? So here's the tutorial on how to turn on fingerprint feature, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.